Hi, my name is Crystal Francis, and this is a video to introduce myself as a teacher, and I'll also be answering a few questions about myself and my classroom practices and beliefs. The kind of teacher I would like to be is a positive and caring teacher, the type of teacher that students respect and look forward to coming to my class because they know we will learn and have fun and we are a part of a team. A quote from a philosopher of education that inspires me is by John Piaget. The goal of education is not to increase the amount of knowledge, but to create the possibilities for a child to invent and discover, to create men who are capable of doing new things. The reason this quote inspires me is because I want to inspire my students in the learning process and teach them that it is okay to be independent thinkers. I also believe this will give students more confidence in their education and also in their overall lives. An experience that has shaped the kind of teacher I would like to be. The type of teacher I like to be is a teacher that I had in third grade. She was such a nice and positive teacher. She gave us more freedom compared to other teachers. Her classroom was welcoming and supportive of all students. We respected her, and she had little to no behavioral problems in her classroom. So she's the type of teacher that I strive to be, one that is respected and one that students look forward to and enjoy. The way this experience will influence my classroom practices is my third grade teacher taught me how to respond positively, and also she was a very inviting teacher. My classroom will be a team environment where students will have choices. I'm confident that students in my classroom will perform well in this type of classroom environment. And these are credits of the pictures used and also where I received the quote for Jean Piaget. Thank you.